Okay, hold on. I'm using this one right here.
Are you shook?
Bitch, okay? It's just, I put her right here. And bit her. Everything else is unique. Okay, if you don't want it's for here. And so of course, sorry. So pretty. And people are just spoil the house. And I feel like Halloween, we appreciate you, girl. West winter weather in his description. Oh yeah, but here you go. So the gloss is somewhere in my house. I will find it. One. Oh my god. Wow. This is what to expect. So let's say hi to everyone, dude. Woo! Delicious. Say hi to. The reveal has passed all of.
Wait, like it's perfect out there.
No. Oh, with a tap. Suit. We're here.
I know, it's disgusting how messy this is.
I had never really let. What am I gonna do? Cry every night? So 2 holes for the price of one.
Must be nice. Sounds great for me.
I am very excited. Why did I blow that out my nose?
I have never felt uglier. This looks like when you like get it online versus when it comes.
Oh,
It's bad. Fuck.